Hello at Trance Tan Dance. You have been asking me to produce some short, quick videos on one topic, things that would support your practice with the more advanced videos that I am offering. So today is Sun Salutations time, Surya Namaskar. Surya is the sun. Right then, the first move in Surya Namaskar is the back bend. For this one, your move is to go from tailbone all the way up, then chest up, and then back. So make sure to protect your back, that you tilt the pelvis forward, and that with the chest up, you go up and then back. Some people go up to some sort of a right angle here, some people just go straight. That's fine, that's where you start and that's where you are, and that's right for you. So place the hands onto heart chakra, shoulders back, pelvis tilted forward, and from first chakra up, move along the spine, chest up, and finally bring the arms back. And come back. Let's do this 2 more times. Breathe in and up. And come back. In and up. And come back. From there, we go into forward bend. So from backward bend, we breathe out into forward bend, simply bending forward from this articulation. Relaxing forward, nice and easy, forward bend. From there, you're going to place the hands onto the sides of the feet and go for a slit. So you're going to bring one leg backwards. Ready? Back. Sorry. We're going to do this a couple more times. Bring the feet together, sort of in line with the hands, and bring one leg back. Yes, and so for this one, bring the hips as close as possible to the floor. Bring the chest as forward as possible, and bring the head up to look toward the sky. Come back, and once more with the other leg. Out. Chest, head, shoulders, hips toward the floor. Good. Come back. And come back up. So far we have back, bend, forward bend, and one slit. From there, you will need how to do the down head dog. And for this, there is one video video that tells you the whole thing. It's called down head dog, as simple as that. But just as a quick reminder, for down head dog, your hands are to the front of the mat. The feet are in line with the hands and in line with the hips. And you try and create a line from the hands to the shoulders and to the hips. You bring the heels as close as possible to the floor and you keep the legs straight. Straighten the back, straighten the legs, have a nice line. That is down head dog. From down head dog, you will need to do child pose. That's nice and easy, nice and relaxing. For child pose, you will leave your hands to the front of the mat and simply bring the buttocks to the feet, like that. Nice and easy child pose, relaxing the small of the back. But from there, you're going to move into Cobra. How do you move into Cobra from this? Well, think of your chest going toward the floor and along the floor before you go into Cobra. So chest, floor, head leading, and raise into Cobra, or something like Cobra. Some people have their feet like this, some people have them like this, it doesn't matter. As I said, there are many variations. Let's do this once again. From child, chest to floor, elbows together, into Cobra. Keep the shoulders away from the ears and look up toward the sky and smile. Right, I think you've got everything you need to put all of this together. We're now going to combine all of these, and one very important part of sun salutation is how you're going to manage your breathing. Breathe in every time you open the body, open the chest, and breathe out every time you go into a closing part of the sun salutation. Let's do it together. First, slowly. There is one part which I forgot, which is one part where you don't breathe, where you hold the breath. That part is the plank, which I'm sure you've all done at fitness classes or at other yoga classes. Just to be safe, the plank is like this. Your hands are in line with the shoulders, the feet are far from the body, and you're going to check that the hips are more or less in line with the feet and the shoulders, and that the neck is more or less in line with the rest of the body. Like that. So try not to be too much like this, nor too much like this, but have something more or less straight. Good. That's it. Let's go for it. Hands to chest. Breathe in, back bend. Breathe out, forward bend. Breathe in, one slip. Hold into back. Out, child. In to Cobra. Out, downward dog. In, bring the leg back forward. Out, forward bend as a mirror to the beginning. Come back into back bend. Right? 12 moves times 2. Do this a few times, faster and faster, and you will notice how the heart gets going. Let's do it together. In, out, in, hold, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, hold, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. One more time, really fast. In, out, in, hold, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. When you've done this 6 or 7 times, lay the arms alongside the body, close the eyes, and enjoy this wonderful feeling of standing strong, powerful, relaxed. Feel the alignment between feet, hips, shoulders and head. And plunge your awareness into the heart. And observe the heartbeat. Feel it pounding and nourishing your entire body. And as you breathe, also feel that the heartbeat calms down. Observe it slow down. You can do this standing relaxation for as long as you like, but for today's sake, for today's video, we're going to stop here. That was Surya Namaskar. If you want me to look at your practice, just get in touch with me via Facebook Trance Tan Dance. Go and explore Sun Salutation. Let me know what it does for you. And once you can do this, go and explore the more advanced yoga videos, especially on chakra yoga, which is very good for you. Right, so I wish you safe and sound practice. Keep in touch.
Hey, you know what? Something really nice has just happened as I was filming for you. A little Bambi and his mother came next to the house. I'm going to try and show them to you. Look at this. Oh, hello. As I was walking to find the deer and her little Bambi, I found a squirrel. Perhaps you can see the squirrel wagging its tail. Yes, perhaps you can hear it. And it's not alone, it has at least 3 more squirrels, and they are going to try and harvest the hazelnuts that are around.